One letter changes everything. Listen.
Nauta pugnat.
The sailor fights. Now listen again.
Naute pugnant.
The sailors fight. Two tiny endings turned one sailor into many. This lesson teaches plural nouns and the verb agreement. English changes word forms to change meaning. Is becomes are. Woman becomes women. The farmer becomes the farmers. This changing of form is called inflection. Inflecting a noun, adjective, or pronoun is called its declension. Inflecting a verb is called its conjugation. Latin inflects far more than English, so endings carry the meaning. 13 new nouns, every one ending in the letter A. Here are the first 6.
Agricola.
Farmer, think agriculture.
Aqua.
Water, think aquarium.
Causa.
Cause or reason.
Domina.
Lady of the house, think dominate.
Fīlia.
Daughter, think filial.
Fortūna.
Fortune, 7 more.
Fuga.
Flight, think fugitive.
Iniūria.
A wrong, an injury.
Lūna.
Moon, think lunar.
Nauta.
Sailor, think nautical.
Puella.
Girl,
Silva.
forest, think sylvan.
Terra.
Land, think terrace. 5 verbs, each form means he, she, or it does the action.
Amat.
He loves is loving, does love. Think amiable.
Labōrat.
He labors is laboring, does labor.
Nūntiat.
He announces.
Portat.
He carries, think portat.
Pugnat.
He fights, think pugnacious. One Latin form covers all 3 English translations. Loves is loving, does love. Rule 1. Nouns ending in the letter R in the singular and in the letters AE in the plural. Listen to each singular, then its plural.
Agricola. Agricole. Puella. Puelle. Nauta. Naute. Fīlia. Fīlie.
One vowel becomes a diphthong and one person becomes many. Every noun in this lesson follows this pattern. Rule 2. A finite verb must always be in the same person and the number as its subject. Rule 3. The third person singular active ends in the letter T. The third person plural ends in the letters NT. These are called personal endings. Listen.
Pugnat.
He fights, one person.
Pugnant.
They fight, many. Latin needs no separate pronouns. The personal ending does that work. And when the subject is expressed, never add a pronoun. The sailor fights, not the sailor he fights. Watch both rules work together.
Nauta pugnat.
The sailor fights, singular noun, singular verb.
Naute pugnant.
The sailors fight. The noun ending changed and the verb ending matched it. Again.
Naute pugnant.
One more pair.
Puella. Amat.
The girl loves.
Puelle amant.
The girls love. Both endings shift together every time. Practice. Translate each Latin sentence into English. Speak your answer before I do. First,
Agricola porta, agricole portant.
the farmer carries, the farmers carry. Second,
Fīlia labōrat, fīlie laborant.
the daughter labors, the daughters labor. Third,
Nauta nūntiat, naute nūntiant.
the sailor announces, the sailors announce. Fourth, the order is reversed.
Domine amant, domina amat.
The ladies love, the lady loves. Now reverse direction, translate into Latin. First, the daughter loves, the daughters love.
Fīlia amat, fīlie amant.
Second, the sailor is carrying, the sailors carry.
Nauta portat, naute portant.
Remember, is carrying and carries use the same Latin form. Third, the ladies are carrying, the lady carries.
Domine portant, domina portat.
Recap. 3 rules. Nouns ending in a letter are formed their plural in a E. A finite verb agrees with its subject in person and number. Singular verbs end in T, plural verbs in NT. You learned 18 words, 13 nouns, and 5 verbs. One last time.
Naute pugnant.
The sailors fight. Next lesson, cases, how Latin shows who does what to whom. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI-graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.